This is a multiple choice question about productivity. So it says Table 1 shows the productivity of a firm in the years 2010 to 2016. Which of the following statements is correct? And here you can just see the years and what their productivity was. This is actually, you don't need to know this for GCSE, but this is a bit as if it's expressed in an index, because 100 here, that would be your base year, 2013. And then they're all relatable to 100, so it's much easier to compare the numbers. This is something that you'll learn about at A level. So we've got to decide which of these is true. Productivity has increased at the same rate every year. First of all, let's just make sure that we understand the definition of productivity. It is output per factor input per time period. It's quite a long definition, but what it's showing you really, productivity, is when you put something into your business, so when you have a factor input, and that might be something like labour, or it might be something like capital. It's showing what you get out from that thing that you've put in. So look, it's the output per factor input and then per time period. So every day or every week or every month or every year or something like that. And very often you're looking at the productivity of your labour, which would be your output per worker per time period, or capital output per machine per time period. And if your productivity is going up, then that means you're getting more output out of the thing that you've put into the business. So productivity has increased at the same rate every year. Now rate is looking at the percentage change over time. So maybe it goes up by 5%, then it goes up by 5%, 5%, 5%, and so on. That would mean that the rate was the same, that it was going up by every year. That isn't true, because if you look here, this goes up by an amount, but look, between 2011 and 2012, it's still 99.8. So there isn't any increase. So the increase here can't be the same as the increase here, because here there hasn't actually been an increase. So A is wrong. B, productivity increased more between 2010 and 2013 than between 2013 and 2016. So here. So between 2010 and 2013, it went up by just 1%, because look, 99 to 100, so just 1%, or 1. That's not actually 1%, sorry, but 1. And from 2013 to 2016, it went up from 100 to 102.2, so it's gone up by 2.2 to there. So it's wrong that it increased more between 2010 and 2013 than here and here. So B is wrong as well. C, productivity increased most between 2013 and 2014. So from 2013 to 2014, it went up 1, because 100 to 101. It's true that that is the biggest increase from year to year, because here it's just 0.8. Here there's no change. Here it's just 0.2. Here it's 1. Here it is 0.6. And here it is only 0.6 again. So it is true. C, it looks as if that's the right answer. But let's just check the other ones. Sorry, the last one. 2013 was the year in which productivity reached its optimum. This is just a red herring. We don't know what optimum means, the best. There's no reason why this was the optimum level of productivity. Usually you want your productivity to be as high as possible, because remember, as productivity increases, your cost per unit decreases. So again, D is wrong. So the right answer is C.